So you were a mission subscriber from
Yes.
our academy, okay, and you
Yes.
joined the July batch?
Yes, July batch.
The July batch. Okay, great. So, how did you find the mission classes and what had been your strategy from the start, let's say, to crack this exam?
First of all, I after just after the graduation, I joined the mission classes, and I blindly followed the schedule in the live classes. I
Okay.
blindly trusted everything, every process, because everything was new. So I just blindly trusted the process, and yeah, I focused on live classes and
Mhm.
also tried to solve questions as much as possible.
Okay.
So the late night PYQs, ENDs, along with that, I also did a bit of custom modules also every day.
Okay.
And whenever, like, I used my handwritten notes also, and the PDF which was provided by the Telegram channel.
Okay.
And whenever I used to feel some topic were difficult for me, I would watch the main videos for that particular topic and solve a
Okay.
bit of Q banks for it to
Okay.
catch up.
Okay. So let's say that there were so many things happening. There were these late night PYQs, there were ENDs, there were mock tests, there were GTs. So let's say for you, amongst these four, what helped you the best for the exam, like for the
I,
exam preparation?
I think GTs and late night PYQs both.
Okay, these were
Both.
the two things that
Yes.
really helped you, the late
Yeah.
night PYQs and the grand tests. So
Yeah.
you ended up giving all the grand tests or did you miss out
Yes.
on any?
No, every single grand test, every single END, and every single
Okay.
latent PYQs,
So you
everything.
basically did everything, right?
Everything,
So,
yes.
okay. And how
Because
did you do in the GTs? How did you like it?
uh it was very good. Like, I can see my progress through the GTs. Like, my first GT score was not that good, but I
Okay.
can see the progress all through, or like all along I can see the progress. So,
Hmm.
and I also get my time to review the GTs.
Okay.
Uh, so I would keep a certain time for reviewing the GTs as much as possible, and I would
Hmm.
also write my mistakes in a book. I have made a mistake book, so I
Okay.
would write every single mistake, like the concept
Hmm.
of every single mistake in that, and I revised that particular book for the last days just before the exam.
Okay. That is a great strategy actually to know and learn from your mistakes before the exam happens so that in the exam, if the same question do pops up, then you're not making the same mistake.
I've
So good
actually seen some questions coming up from that only.
from that mistake book, which is
Yes.
great. That's a good strategy to do. Make a mistake book, learn from your mistakes so you don't make that same mistake in the exam. So